Hi, my name is Kudzi and I'm a second year civil engineering student at UBC. Today, I'm going to tell you about 5 misconceptions that people have about engineering students. So, misconception number 1, engineering students only learn how to build stuff. This is the most common misconception that I hear because as a civil engineering student, it is correct for the most part because a large part of civil engineering involves learning how to build structures like buildings, roads, bridges, and all that cool stuff. And for instance, one of my courses this semester requires me to build a truss. So yes, some engineering students do learn how to build stuff, but there is so much more that we learn. As a civil engineering student, I learn about rocks and minerals, about different materials, and in some of my labs, we do really fun stuff like tearing metals and breaking concrete. And engineering isn't just about building structures. And it's also very important to remember that there are so many disciplines within engineering, and some of the ones that UBC offers are geological, computer, mechanical, electrical, and so much more. Misconception number 2 is engineering students only learn complex math and science. Whilst engineering students do learn a substantial amount of math, for instance, I had to take 2 math courses in first year and 2 in second year, it is not at the core of a lot of the classes that I take. I'll let you in on a little secret. I don't like math, but I still enjoy engineering so much because it has a lot to do with creativity and problem solving. Misconception number 3 is that only males are engineering students. Well, that's wrong. Whenever people refer to engineers, there's always the assumption that they're male. And in the media, there's a large portrayal of engineers as male. Even at UBC, majority of the engineering students identify as male. But anyone can be an engineering student. You can be a black female like me and be an engineering student, or any other minority that is often not represented when engineers are portrayed. Misconception number 4 is that engineering students always work alone. Before coming to UBC, I always considered myself as independent, which I still think I am. But I've learned the importance of having a team sometimes. The workload often gets overwhelming, and it's important to have people to encourage you and motivate you to keep going because it really does make a difference. UBC does a great job at introducing you to teamwork right from the beginning. One of my favorite experiences was with a course where I was required to do homework in groups of 3, and I only had one friend in that class. So on the first day, we asked a classmate who sat next to us to join our group, and it was the best decision we decided to make because we got on so well. And whenever I was feeling overwhelmed or when I didn't understand things, and even when I just needed a little push, I knew I could always count on them. I could always call them, and we would meet up and do homework together, and I learned so much from them outside that course. And it's always fun to have people you can laugh with too. Misconception number 5 is engineering students never have fun. Yes, we have a massive course load. Yes, we always have assignments that need to be handed in. And yes, we're stressed most of the time. But most of us find some time to chill and have a bit of fun, and that looks different for everyone. For me, that looks like having a movie night with my friends. It looks like going to an event off campus. And one thing that engineering students are really good at is throwing parties and having a great time. So yes, engineering students do have a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below if you have any questions or videos you'd like to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe.